Chapter number 1, Solid State, 12 Signs, Part 5. Hello students, I am Madhu Sinha, your chemistry teacher. Do like and subscribe my YouTube videos for further clarifications. In this video, we will be discussing about the arrangement of close packed structures in solids. Now in solids, the constituent particles are tightly packed, leaving minimum vacant spaces between them. Closer is the arrangement of constituent particles in solids, greater is its stability. The arrangement in close packed structures can be studied in three categories. First category, close packing in one dimension. Second one is close packing in two dimension. And third way, it can be explained as close packing in three dimension. Let us understand this one by one in detail. First of all, close packing in one dimension. Consider each constituent particle present in the solid as a hard sphere. In one dimension, each sphere is arranged in the form of a row touching each other. This is the arrangement of constituent particles in one dimension. At any time, you will find that each constituent particle is in contact with two constituent particles. This is known as the coordination number. Coordination number is defined as the number of spheres touching a given sphere. In this arrangement, the coordination number of close packed sphere is 2. Now let us understand close packing in two dimension. In two dimension, the arrangement of close packed spheres can be explained in two different ways. First one, square close packing in two dimension. Consider one-dimensional arrangement of constituent particles. So this is one-dimensional arrangement of constituent particle. Now the next row, the second row is placed exactly below this first row in such a way that the spheres are aligned horizontally as well as vertically. I am placing the row in such a way that the spheres are exactly placed one below the other. If the first layer is considered as layer A, now the second layer is exactly similar to layer A. So this is also layer A. The third one is also similar to layer A. So this is also termed as layer A. This type of arrangement is known as A type arrangement. So we have arranged the spheres exactly below each other in such a way that the spheres of any row is vertically and horizontally aligned. Now, if you consider any sphere, you may notice that at any moment this sphere is in contact with four spheres. If you join the center of these four spheres which are touching, these four spheres which are touching this sphere and join these centers, it will result in the formation of square. Hence, this type of arrangement of close packed spheres is also known as square close packing in two dimension. Now, there is another way of arrangement also, and that is termed as hexagonal close packing in two dimension. Now, in the previous one, square close packed structure, at any moment the constituent particle was in contact with four spheres. So, the coordination number of square close packed structure in two dimension is 4. Now, let us discuss hexagonal close packing in two dimension. Consider one dimensional arrangement of constituent particles. Now, the second row is placed in such a way that they are in the depressions of the first row. Depression means the voids which are being formed by the first row. So, the second row of constituent particle is placed in such a way that they are in the depressions of first row. Now, the third row is exactly similar to the first row. So, if the first row is named as layer A, now the second row is different than layer A. So, let us name it as layer B. The third one is similar to the first one. So, layer A. If I am going to place the fourth row, I will place it in the depressions of third row. So, it will be B layer. So, this type of arrangement is also known as AB type of arrangement. At any point, you will notice that any sphere is in contact with 6 spheres. If you join the centers of the 6 spheres touching this given sphere, then it will form an hexagon. Let us see. This sphere is touching. So, I am putting dots in the center of these spheres. If I join the center of these spheres which are touching a given sphere, then it is going to generate an hexagon. That is why this type of arrangement is also known as HCP arrangement in two dimension, that is hexagonal close packing in two dimension. Now, the coordination number means number of spheres touching a given sphere. The coordination number of hexagonal close packing in two dimension is 6 because it is in contact with 6 spheres. So, coordination number is 6 in two dimension. Now, let us understand close packing in 3 dimension with the help of this video. Solids have long range order. All real structures are three-dimensional structures. They can be obtained by stacking two-dimensional layers one over the other. Two types of arrangements can be shown in three dimension: square closed packed structure in three dimension and hexagonal closed packed structure in three dimension. Consider a square closed packing in two dimension. The second layer is placed over the first layer in such a way that the spheres of the upper layer are exactly placed above those of the first layer. In this arrangement, the spheres of both the layers are perfectly aligned horizontally as well as vertically. If the arrangement of spheres in the first layer is called A-type, then all the layers have same type of arrangement. Thus, this lattice has AAA type pattern. The lattice thus generated is a simple cubic lattice and its unit cell is primitive cubic unit cell. Now consider a three-dimensional closed packing from two-dimensional hexagonal closed packed layers. Consider a hexagonal closed packed layer in which the second layer is placed in the depression of the first layer. Since the spheres of both the layers are aligned differently, the first layer is marked as layer A and the second layer is marked as layer B. Both the layers have different types of voids between them. Now the third layer can be placed on top of the second layer in two different ways. When the third layer is placed on top of second layer in such a way that they are exactly aligned with those of the first layer, then this type of pattern is called ABAB type of pattern, also known as hexagonal closed packed HCP structure, shown by metals like magnesium and zinc. This type of lattice also has primitive unit cell. In this hexagonal closed packed layer of two dimension, when the third layer is placed on the depressions of the second layer named as layer B, such that they are not aligned with either the first layer or the second layer, then this layer is marked as layer C, giving rise to ABC type of structure. Hence, third layer can be placed in two different ways: in ABAB type of pattern or in ABC type of pattern. These layers generate two types of voids between them, one marked as void T and another as void O. ABC type of packing is known as cubic closed packing CCP or face centered closed packing FCC. Metals like copper, silver, iron, etc. crystallize in this structure. Both HCP and CCP type of packing are highly efficient, and 74% of the space is filled in the crystal. The coordination number in three-dimensional HCP and CCP structure is 12.